Hey guys, how are you doing? So today for this episode, we'll guide you through how to fix an issue that happened to me today while I was trying to update my WordPress to the latest version. So the latest version for WordPress is version 5.5. So you can see the article directly on my blog, but if you don't want to read everything, I will just guide you through this video and you'll make it fixed in no time. So, how to fix this error? If you get the error saying fix another update in progress, you just have to go to your dashboard and add a new program. Add a new plugin, add new one, and you search for fix another update in progress will come. You just have to install it, click install. It should be quite fast on a fast server. It will download it. And as soon as I install it, you activate it. Once it's activated, it's very simple. It will be there in the setting. You will have the option fix another update in progress. You just click on it. So here I already fixed it for my website, but you will have a red text saying you that you have an update lock, and it will propose you an option to fix it by just clicking it. As soon as you click it, you will have this text, there is no update log issue anymore, and then you can resume to the standard WordPress update. Alright, that's it. Very simple, right? I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe as usual and like the video, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.